In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in multiple languages in Hubspot. If you're looking to expand your reach to a broader audience by offering your website content in various languages, Hubspot makes it quite straightforward. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your website caters to a global audience. To get started, you'll need to navigate to your pages. Open your Hubspot account, and from the top navigation bar, choose Content. From there, select either website pages or landing pages, depending on which type you'd like to translate. Once there, you'll notice a list of your existing pages. Next, you'll need to select the page you want to translate. Simply hover over the page title and a few actions will appear. Click on the Actions or More drop-down menu. This is where you'll find the magic options to start translating. In the menu that appears, you'll want to choose the option labeled Create Language Variant or sometimes Create Translation. This will allow you to create a version of your page in a different language, making it accessible to speakers of that language. Once you've clicked on that option, you'll be asked to select your target language. This is a crucial step as you'll need to decide which language you're translating your page into. You'll find a drop-down menu labeled Variation Language or simply Language. Scroll through the list, select your desired language, and click on Create. This will generate a new version of your page in the selected language. Now that you have your new version, it's time to translate the content. HubSpot will direct you to the content editor where you'll see your original text and can begin the translation process. This is your opportunity to ensure that every part of your content is effectively communicated in the new language. You might want to involve native speakers or translation services to make sure that the translation is accurate and culturally appropriate. As you work through this, you may find the need to switch back and forth between your language variants. At the top of the page, you'll see a language drop-down menu. Use this to seamlessly switch between different language variations of your page, allowing for easy edits and reviews. Finally, once you're satisfied with your translation and everything looks good, it's time to make the page live. At the top right corner, there's the Publish button. Clicking this will publish your new language version and make it accessible to visitors speaking that language. By the end of this process, you'll have a multilingual website that's ready to attract and engage a diverse audience. Remember, providing content in multiple languages can significantly enhance user experience and expand your reach in the online space. Enjoy bringing your message to a global community.